In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rows from sheets using Excel in N8n in a quick and simple way. This is a really useful step if you want to pull data from your Excel workbook into your workflow so you can automate tasks, process records, or pass spreadsheet rows into other nodes. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy N8n tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open your N8n workflow and go to the Nodes panel. In the search bar, type Microsoft Excel. Once it appears, click it to add the node to your workflow. This node is what you'll use to connect N8n with your Excel file and work with spreadsheet data. After adding the Microsoft Excel node, you need to choose the correct operation. From the available options, select Get Rows from Sheets. This is the setting that tells N8n you want to read rows of data from an Excel sheet instead of creating or updating them. It's the right option when you need to pull existing spreadsheet records into your automation. Now it's time to configure the node by giving it the required details. You'll need to connect your Microsoft account if you haven't already, then choose the workbook you want to access. After that, select the sheet you want to read from. Make sure you're pointing to the correct file and the correct tab inside the workbook because that is where your rows will be pulled from. Next, review the configuration fields and fill in any additional details needed for your setup. Depending on your file, you may need to define the range, confirm where the headers are located, or specify how the data should be read. The key is to make sure the node knows exactly which rows to fetch, so the output is clean and useful for the rest of your workflow. Once everything is configured, you can test the node to make sure it is returning the rows correctly. If the setup is right, N8n will load the data from your Excel sheet and show it in the output panel. From there, you can connect the next node and continue building your automation. And that's how to get rows from sheets using Excel in N8n. It's a simple process. Choose Microsoft Excel from the Nodes panel, select Get Rows from Sheets, and configure the required details. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more practical N8n guides.